so close. I can feel it. Youngin'. Okay, no more brother, stop, go. Time to take a shot, nigga, lock, load. Youngin' really be the one to watch for. Breaking out the shell like a overstuffed taco. Jot notes, Brandon Savage on the track, macho. Man, can you dig it? This kid about to do it. So all those who said they did it, all they down in bucket image. Better watch out for the kid like his shit's a babysitter up in my weight class. So I'm changing my break fast. Some 808s for lunch, boom baps, I chef them for dinner. A nice guy, but I'm not taking my place last. So even when I do feel like I'm winning, when I lose, you just can't say off the standard, just center herself in two, and I'm one with this hip hop. About to break my back into this, say luck, campers and threes, but I guess it depends for whom. And now I'm trying to get out these dark days. Watch a nigga find a power like Kanye to make these songs play. Come on. Now everybody wanna ride, but how long you wanna sit in the passenger side? Yo, it's up to you to glide and get to the sky and fly, but right now I'm gonna proceed to get mine. Yeah, yo, now everybody wanna ride, but how long you wanna sit in the passenger side? Yo, it's up to you to glide and get to the sky and fly, but right now I'm gonna proceed to get mine. Seems like a lot of people really getting shit stirred the game and took a slope, like it's been snowboarding and Whistler. Everybody hating on a hipster and out there begging for a shot by using too much mixer. Rap house sells of electronica in the mixture. To each his own, dog. I say it's all up to the listener. But don't hate on somebody trying to do it different. Everybody flow dirty, I'm the detergent. Spitting vivid images for you to picture. It's Mr. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, coming out of the gutter. Nothing like Ebola. Tired of brothers using the excuse of your product of the environment. I say, all the while your life on earth that's surviving is these times are tense. Better watch who you riding with, confiding in. Cause when you really need them, they be hiding. Either you gliding or you flying. Peace and guidance is a science. Yeah. Now everybody wanna ride, but how long you wanna sit in the passenger side? Yo, it's up to you to glide and get to the sky and fly, but right now I'm gonna proceed to get mine. Yeah, yo, now everybody wanna ride, but how long you wanna sit in the passenger side? Yo, it's up to you to glide and get to the sky and fly, but right now I'm gonna proceed to get mine.